One good afternoon, guys. And for today's wake me again with me. And so right now, yeah, let's join for this meeting for our class here and with me for this webinar class. And so right now, I wanna tell you something for about the topic. It's about the nationality and the country. Yeah. So it's totally agree with country, with the nationality, and I want give you something. It's about the difference between how to tell nationality and how to tell country in English. So it's not same in English, you know that. Okay. So right now I will share my PowerPoint first. Give it a minute. Okay, so yeah, this topic you can see this picture, guys. It is so many countries in all of the world, in the world, and so in this world there are on this table there are, I think it's 15, more than 50 countries in this table. And so right now let's learn about how to tell country in English and how to tell nationality in English. Okay, so for the first one, I want to ask you something. So how to say in English orang Indonesia, and how to say in English negara Indonesia? Yeah. And when we say negara Indonesia, you just said Indonesia. But when you want to say orang Indonesia, you can say Indonesia. Yeah. So this there is the difference Indonesia and Indonesia. There's difference from the Indonesia. It's mean it's the Indonesia country, but for Indonesian it's mean the nationality. So the people from Indonesia. And when I ask you about the country, for example, where are you come from? Okay, where are you come from? Where do you come from? Sorry, where do you come from? So you can say I come from Indonesia. Don't say I come from Indonesia. Yeah, it's incorrect. But when I said, are you Indonesian or are you Indonesia? So what is the correct? Yeah, the correct is, are you Indonesian? It's mean the Indonesian people. So that's me back to the module, to the topic today in this video. This one. Okay, let's learn about this PowerPoint. Let's learn in this PowerPoint. And right now it's changed its country or area below into the nationality and or language spoken of the people who come from that place. For example, Britain. So it's mean negara Britain, but for the orang Britain you can say British. Okay, and then write each word in the appropriate space in the table. Be careful because usually we add or remove letter 2 from the name of the country before we add the ending. Uh, so right now when we cite in the Greece, Scotland, Peru, Canada, Australia, Portugal, Holland, Bangladesh, Spain, Malta, Ireland, Lebanon, Israel, Turkey, Kuwait, and Belgium, Malaysia, and all of these country in this table, it's mean its country, negaranya. But when we cite someone that in this country or the people that live in this country, it's different. So the first one, It can be at ese in the end. For example, China, so you can say Chinese. Uh, or you can add en in the end. For example, Brazil and Brazilian. Brazil, Brazilian. It can be at I, like Brazil, Brazilian, or like America. So it can be American. Okay. Or you can add IEISH, Britain, or you can say British, or only I, Indian, Pakistan, Pakistani. Okay. And it can be at IC, also it's Iceland, Icelandic. But for this form, in this table, there is no, it's not the pure formula when you want to make a special Indonesian people, but there is the irregular or the others making. So this one for the others it's like France, it France, France like Saudi Arabian, it can be Arabic. It's this one. So right now I give you the text to the column this country to it can be used is an ish I or IC. Okay, I give you the example again for China Chinese. It can be for um, Turkey. Turkey. So how to call Turkey people? It can be Turkish. Okay, and for Japan, Japan it can be Japanese. Okay, and for the Australia, Australia. So when you want to call Australia people, you can say Australian at en in the end. Ah, so that's for the Thailand. 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 When you want to call Thailand people, don't say it Thailand people, but say it only Thai. Thai. Thai is Thailand people. So I want to ask you, what is the correct between are you Thai or are you Thailand? So what is the correct? Yeah, it's good. So the correct is Thai. Are you Thai? I am Thai. Yeah, I am Thai. It means aku adalah orang Thailand. Yeah. Okay. And then for about the England. England. England it means negaranya. It's the country. But when you want to call England people, you can say English. English. Okay, it's good. And then for the Portugal. Portugal. It means Portugal country. And when you want to call Portugal people, you can say it just add ISH in the end, so it can be Portuguese. Yeah, it's good. So that's for all of you. Do you understand that I said, guys? Okay, when you have a question, please ask me. Mhm. Okay, yeah. So that's for that topic. And right now it's about I give you the homework and you can improve your experience and you can improve your knowledge about how to country, how to make a country and how to tell country people it's it. So this one you can see on this this one for the around the world. So for the around the world, it can be choose the correct trio geopolitical word in A, B, C to complete each of the sentences. Ah, For this, it's only the multiple choice, and you have to choose the best choices in this exercise. For example, Japan